Hello, I'm Nadine and a very warm welcome. So today we are making one of my childhood favorite desserts, carrot halwa, also known as Gajar ka halwa. And keep watching till the end because I'm going to show you a very unique and beautiful way to present it. And the color of the dessert looks kind of like my shirt. So let's see if we can match it. So let's start with the halwa. I have 4 cups of milk here. We're going to heat it up, and then I have 500 grams of carrots, which I have shredded. I did it in the food processor, which is much easier. But if you don't have it, you can use a grater or something. But you might not be very happy with me if you use the grater because it'll take a while. So we're gonna add the carrots. It seems like a lot right now, but they cook down. And now we're just going to let this cook slowly till all the milk has dried up. It's pretty forgiving in the beginning, but as it's drying, you have to keep stirring it so that it doesn't burn or get stuck on the pan. We're just going to let this cook now. It can take over 30 minutes and we'll just keep stirring a little bit. Now I'm going to have these baking, dessert recipes and pretty presentation ideas here every week. So please remember to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss anything. Okay, so this has been cooking for over half an hour and the milk is almost evaporated. And now we are going to add a half a cup of ghee, which is clarified butter. If you don't have ghee, you can use just any vegetable oil, but this gives good flavor. And once that's in, we will put a cup of sugar. This halwa is nice and sweet, but you can adjust the sugar to whatever you like. And then some people will add orange food color, but you really don't need it because we're just going to fry this up a bit and the carrots and sugar will start caramelizing. It will give you a deeper orange color. I'm going to try and match my shirt. I don't think I can get there, but maybe close. So I just fried this for a few minutes and it starts caramelizing and turns this deep orange color, which is so beautiful. It almost matches my shirt. Let me know in the comments what you think of the color. And I have some oil splatter on me, but doesn't matter. And that's it, it's done. It sort of starts separating from the fat and sort of comes together. That's when you know it's done. And obviously this gorgeous color. Now keep watching because I'm going to show you a very unique and beautiful way to present this halwa. Okay, so now for the presentation, I have the halwa here, and I think I forgot to mention when I was cooking it, I also ground up these cardamom seeds and put about half a teaspoon in, so that adds a lot of flavor and fragrance. So I'm just dumping the halwa out on this chopping board, and I was playing around with it, and I got this idea that if you kind of flatten it out, you can cut out all kinds of shapes with it, and it's kind of like halwa art. I'll just show you what I mean. So you just flatten out the halwa like this a bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then if you have any cookie cutters, you can use those. If you don't, you can just use a knife, no worries. And we can sort of cut out some petals and we're gonna make a flower. all we do is we just lift out the petals and put them on your platter. I have some chopped pistachios here. I'll put those. Now I'll make some more flowers. Look how pretty! So this is just one little technique for you. I hope you run with it and make your own designs. I made flowers because I love flowers, but you can do whatever you like. And if you try it, please tag me on Instagram. I love seeing those pics. And let's try this. I didn't want to ruin this, so I have some on the side from the leftovers. So yummy. This always makes me nostalgic because I had so much of this growing up, especially in the winter time. The recipe and all the details will be on my website nadineali.com, and I'm going to use this halwa and make a yummy dessert in the next video. So please make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss it. I hope you share this with your loved ones. Until next time. And it changes